Hello everyone, my name is Ajani and Lannoy. FRESCO I value. Well, my college experience was a bit apprehensive because when I came here I really didn't know what to expect. I heard about this grooming thing and I was like, what is this, right? We had to get up 3 a.m. in the night to make some plates to put on our chests. I was like, what? And these sleepless nights really had a toll on me, and some of that caused me to not get through some of my classes on time and so on. But despite that, I had my friend right here who could motivate me and tell me to keep going. He could tell you that some nights when we wanted to give up, he would say, bro, you have your mom, you have your dad, that they're looking out for you to come out to great guy and so on. So I really want to say he has been a milestone in my life and helping me and everything, and he can tell you more about the experience.
Well, on the other side, for me now, as my brother was said, when I came here and I heard about the grooming thing, because the first week of orientation we had a grooming process, 5 days, and when I went home on the Friday, I told my mother that I'm not going to do it, because to me it was like a cadet or a soldier thing, and me no know that. Some people are tell you to do some things and all of that, and wake up 3:30 in the morning, everybody be in a one batch. No, me never go so me never think it that way. But the first year of college for me was basically orientation. I got to know certain things. I meet my best friend. I learned a lot of things about the college, and I am proud to say today that this college have changed me as an individual, overall per se, because I know the things that I used to do, I no longer do them, or I would say we don't do them no more. It's a gospel song. And moving along, second year was one of my roughest year. Second year I failed my first course, and to me the first failure in life when it comes on to college is going to feel like the end of the road. But that didn't stop me, because I have my friend here. We always encourage each other, because we always have a saying that teamwork make the dream work.
Yeah, man,
and I think I could say to everybody, anybody that is planning to go to college, is a thing that I know who work the hardest, but who work is smartest. Believe me, I can testify to that. Helping people and helping your friends, it actually motivates you and make you better at anything.
Before we continue with this video, don't forget to check out our FRESCO Merge service. We offer financial courses, fitness sessions, coursework / S.B.A assistance, along with other services. So if you're interested in any of these services, the link is in the description and is also pinned in the comment section. Let's continue with the video.
I remember the same course that I failed. To do but that course with the first year, with the second years rather, when you're in the class it kind of feel like
you're a list of a person.
Exactly, yeah.
Like,
they repeat.
Me
like,
older than them.
Exactly, they repeat with some little people. So
yeah.
At the starting I feel ashamed, I should say, but at the end I actually had a class where, because we know me can't feel that again. So I had a class and I share my knowledge, and meanwhile teaching, it helped me to retain certain information. And it was one of the best feeling here when the exam grade came out and I saw them putting it on their status. So thank you, Mr. Vassell. Everything that they taught us came on the exam. Coming up to today now, skip on now here, third year COVID year. Stay a yard and all of that, and adapt to the new norm, I guess. Fourth year to me is the hardest year of college. I can tell anybody that. People debate that it is probably the easiest. To me it's the fastest but the hardest. Why? I say that research, first killer, suicide. Second thing, teaching practice. That take a time. If you have a friend like my good friend, help out. that can manage. But getting it to the conclusion, because I don't want to be too long. At the end of the day, people that say a night, but at the end of the day, finish line for me. This is just a start for us, even though we are graduating. And anytime you feel like you want to stop or give up, just push a little bit harder, and you will see a difference. I guarantee.
In addition to that, my main philosophy I go by in life is that it is better to try and fail than to fail to try. Because sometimes when you make a mistake, it teaches you what not to do the next time. So as my friend said, he failed a course, but the next time that he reattempted it, he knew that some mistakes and some downfalls, maybe he never studied as hard, just saying. Maybe he never do a coursework piece as efficient as he should. Stuff like those, you look out for those and say, next time I won't make it again, right? So I implore all those who are watching this to think about what we said and to know that our journey can be your journey or even better.